Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox the Sony PS5 Slim Digital. This is my first ever PS unit, and this one comes with a black box. That's because this is the digital edition. And yeah, from Malaysia, 4K 120. The 8K is missing already. The HDR. This is a disc-free console, and inside it's only the digital PS5 here with one DualSense given, CFI 2018 B01. So this one comes with one TV version now. Sony has since moved on from the 825 gig from the PS5 Fat Edition. So let's see, lightning speed, harness the power of a custom CPU and SSD with integrated I/O that rewrites the rules of what a PlayStation console can do. Breathtaking immersion, stunning games, yada yada yada. Blue box, love it. So what's in the box? It says you get the PS5 digital edition console, DualSense wireless controller, 2 horizontal stand fit, HDMI cable, AC power cord. So yeah, without further ado, let's open the box. So I got this for 1,500 ringgit. On sale, that's around 350 USD. So as of this video recording, as of yesterday, Sony US has just announced to increase the price of PS5, all PS5 versions, the PS5 digital, the PS5 with this, PS5 Pro, all increased with 50 USD. So at least for the digital version, that's already $499 in the US. Unfortunately, it says due to economic pressure, but yeah. So first off, you get this power cable with thing like a paper bending now, and you get this everybody is talking about this, but this is the plastic stand. I don't like my PS5 lying on the surface. I prefer to let it stand, so I'm not going to use it. And open this up. You get your HDMI cable, and this plug here is pretty big. It's silver. You also get your USB-C to USB-C. I think this is for charging your DualSense controller. And here is the controller itself. You get one in this package. So I guess if you buy the one with dual controllers, you get 2 here. And this is how it looks. It's a lot heavier than the PS4 controller, the DualShock. So, but it's also a bit bigger, but feels good. And then you got this adaptive trigger, haptic feedback, then USB Type-C. You can't see on the camera itself, but all of this has a texture with PS logos, the triangle and then the square, circle, and X. Feels good. And then if you turn it on, you can see blue light. It's trying to connect, but it's not going to be able to connect now. But yeah. And then I will set this aside, and let's see the style of this video, which is the PS5 itself. So I'm gonna have to lift this box up. Then I'm gonna have to pull this up. So I've already pulled it up, but here is the PlayStation Quick Start Guide with lots of languages, and as you can see, this is how the fit works. Yeah, I don't like it. And then you have your safety guide here. Well, whatever. Now the star of the show is the PS5 itself. So it's got a lot of, oops, there was almost an accident, and then you just need to put this up. Here you go. So this is the PSI itself. Pretty small, to be honest. I mean, it's still bigger than most of the consoles, I think, but yeah, I think this looks stylish. It's just that without the stand, it's still pretty firm, but you don't feel safe without a stand, so maybe I'll buy a stand. But in any case, you see there's a 2 USB Type-C here in front. Now in the old PS5 Fat, one of them is USB Type-A. Now they've changed both to a Type-C. I think this is to accommodate the PSVR 2. This is the power button here. There's no more this button here. That's because you can buy another disc reader and then put it inside this PS5 thing. Unlike the PS5 Fat or the PS5 Digital, this one you can buy the disc and install it later. So it's all white, but notice that this is the glossy part. The top panels are glossy. The bottom panels are just the usual plastic. And then you got this PS5 buttons logo here. Nothing else on here, but you got this PS logo here. You can also see a PS Sony logo inside here, which is cool. All of these are textured. So yeah, and then let's see what's behind. You got your HDMI, you got your LAN port, you got 2 USB-A, and then the power connector. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool, and then I'm gonna have to throw this one off first. So yeah, to help me install, I don't know what is this. Is that the Kensington? But the top, this plastic is all glossy. So yeah, I think without further ado, let's power it up.
Button.
So I've connected.
USB 케이블로 컨트롤러를
It
콘솔에
keeps
연결한
repeating,
PS
telling me to
버튼을
connect the PS5 controller. So we'll do that now. So I've connected, and then we need to press this PS5
Connect your
button.
controller to
Ah, okay, we're setting it out now.
select your English, United States. Not selected.
X
Selectable
for
item.
select.
Continue with the screen reader turned on. No, turn off.
So I'm gonna have to set up Wi-Fi. So we went through the Wi-Fi and all that, and now it's downloading update. So it's finished update, asking me to press on the PS5 logo, so I'm pressing it. So I'll need to sign in now. I'm gonna have to make a quick account on this. No, I'll just do it later, I guess. Do this later. And then go. Oh wow, so many avatars. I'm gonna go with Astrobot. Let's go with that first. Limited data only. So right now the sound is coming through my HDS20R, which is a 5.1 surround sound speaker, and yeah, we're in the game now. So I must say, the screen looks nice. Yeah, that's my unboxing and setup of the experience of this PS5 digital edition. So yeah, it's been looking very well, and I think this will also serve well as a home media as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find this useful, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.